Today to recognize and celebrate the service that for too long went unrecognized. We gather here in Cadet while others are gathering in Madison and Neillsville. At all of these events, we celebrate the service and the sacrifice of the Hmong Lao forces who served under incredible daunting circumstances with courage and persistence. Unfortunately, too many Americans don't know or fully understand how bravely and honorably Hmong Lao forces fought. Too many Americans don't realize how they saved countless lives. And too many Americans don't understand how much these individuals lost. Many attempted to relocate to the United States and came here with nothing. Oftentimes, they weren't welcomed kindly or appropriately. We can't go back and change the past, but we can and we should make it a priority to let people know about the contributions these brave soldiers made.